How to use re.IGNORECASE and re.MULTILINE for Python text extraction. Imagine you're trying to find specific words or patterns in a large chunk of text, but the text has different cases or spans multiple lines. That's where Python's regular expression flags come into play. They help you customize how your search works, making your text extraction more flexible and powerful. Today, let's look at two important flags, re.IGNORECASE and re.MULTILINE. These flags are like tools that tell Python to look at your text differently, depending on what you need. First, re.IGNORECASE, which can also be written as re.I, makes your pattern matching ignore whether letters are uppercase or lowercase. So if you search for the word apple with this flag, it will match apple, apple, or apple all the same. This is super handy when you're searching for names, keywords, or commands that might appear in different cases. For example, if you want to find all mentions of error in a log file, no matter how it's written, you can use re.IGNORECASE. Just add the flag to your find all or search function, and Python will match all variations. Next, re.MULTILINE, which can also be called rem, changes how the special characters caret and dollar work. Normally, only matches the very start of the entire string, and only matches the very end. But with re.MULTILINE enabled, matches the start of each line inside a multi-line string, and matches the end of each line. This is useful when you're working with logs, configuration files, or paragraphs where you want to find patterns at the beginning or end of each line. For instance, if you want to find all lines that start with the word error, you can use a pattern like error and turn on re.MULTILINE. That way, it will find every line that begins with error, not just the first one. You can also combine these flags to get even more control. Just use the bitwise OR operator to add both flags together. For example, if you want to find warning at the start of any line, ignoring case differences, you can write re.findAll r warning text re.IGNORECASE re.MULTILINE. This will find all lines that start with warning, no matter how the word is capitalized. Using these flags makes your text extraction tasks much easier. If you want to ignore case differences, re.IGNORECASE is your best friend. If your text spans multiple lines and you want to match patterns at the start or end of each line, re.MULTILINE is the way to go. Combining both gives you a lot of flexibility, especially when working with messy or complex text data. Remember, always check your text and test your patterns to see how these flags affect your matches. They can save you a lot of time and effort when automating text processing tasks in Python.